Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps your bank information private when shopping online. Take control of your subscriptions and other recurring payments, plus pause and close privacy cards at any time. And get $5 right now to try the service at collision.live/privacy.
Our next guest is here. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Can you please introduce yourself for us?
Sure. My name is Ebony McCormick from Atlanta, Georgia. I am the founder and CEO of the Healthy Dining mobile app. Healthy Dining is an app that allows users to create a profile to search for vegan and vegetarian restaurants worldwide. On the app, you also can connect with other users for dining and networking purposes.
Very cool.
Thank you.
So, what brought this about for you?
Okay,
Because
so
obviously the whole vegetarian,
it's a lifestyle.
plant-based diet thing is growing in steam right now. Where does this apply with you?
So about 3 years ago, I'd made the transition to a vegan lifestyle, and some of the obstacles I faced was locating the vegan and vegetarian restaurants. If you're not from that area, it's almost impossible to find those restaurants. Another problem I had was finding people with like minds to communicate with, to find support. At that time, my circle of friends and my family, I was the only one to take that journey, so I had no one to turn to. So I took my problems, I brainstormed, I did research, and I created an app.
Okay.
So yeah, I wanted to solve that problem for myself and others who may went through the same problems.
Okay. So you had a thing
Right.
that didn't work, and you're like, all right, I'm gonna
do
solve
something about
this.
it.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So,
Okay.
So does your application, how exactly does it work?
So basically, you create a profile. You can sign up with an existing account such as Google or Facebook. Once you set up your profile, then you're able to search for vegan and vegetarian restaurants worldwide. You just select the area that you're in by state, city, or zip code, and the restaurants pop up within your area. You also can search other people's profiles that's in that area. So you can communicate with them, you can chat, you can share recipes, and you can even schedule a date. You can select a restaurant, a date, and a time, and the app will actually send that invitation to the other user to accept or reject that date. So
That's really cool.
Yeah, it's a really cool networking feature on the app that I love.
I think it's really cool that you can even ask for like recommendations.
Right.
Like you can find people in that area and be like, okay, so there's a bunch of restaurants that I can choose from for dinner tonight. Which one would you recommend?
Right. Someone that's from the area that can kind of guide you.
That's really cool.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, all right, how do you get your data? Because obviously, when we're dealing with directories like this,
Right.
sourcing the data can be one of the hardest things
It
to
is.
do. So, how are you dealing with that problem?
Oh, it took me a while. It was very hard. It was very difficult, but I reached out to the restaurants to collect the data from them to make sure that they were 100% vegan or vegetarian. And I also work with an API that I pull data from their API as well.
Oh, okay.
So everything in the platform is 100% vegan and vegetarian.
And double checked.
Yes, sir.
And there's no like Yelp has vegan options,
Right.
but not the whole facility is.
Right. That's one of the things I wanted to make sure is that the whole facility is 100% vegan or 100% vegetarian. I absolutely did not want vegan or vegetarian options.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So is there a way to differentiate between vegan and vegetarian on your application, or?
Yes, you can filter. You can use our filter to filter just the vegan restaurants, or you can filter just the vegetarian restaurants. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And it's live on Google and Apple. You just search Healthy Dining, and it's the first app that pops up.
Wow.
That's
a plus.
that's impressive.
Yeah.
Search optimization there.
Right. I want to make it easy. There's so many apps out there, so I wanted to make sure that I made it easy for you guys to find it.
Definitely.
Very cool. So, are you an alpha or a beta?
I'm an alpha.
You're an alpha. So, how long have you been working on this?
Oh, wow. The app has been live a little under a year. I've been working on this project for about 3 years. Yes.
Okay. And so it's live. Is it live like we're happy with where it is? Is it live in like a beta state? How are...
The app is live. However, there's always going to be features and changes that I'm going to update.
Of course.
So the users are enjoying the app. I'm getting great feedback. However, of course, me as the owner, there's always things that I want to improve and update on the app. So I'm still working on it to get it to where I want it to be.
Where do you see the future of your app?
Oh wow! I have a lot of cool features that's coming up. I can't really discuss them, but there are a lot of cool features that I'm looking to add to the app within the next 6 months.
Really close.
Yeah, it's really close.
So what is your what is your range? Where is it available?
It's worldwide.
Okay.
It's worldwide, wherever.
So we've got restaurant listings everywhere.
Yes, here in Canada as well. So when you download the app, you'll be able to see a listing of restaurants as well as the other users that's on the app.
Okay. And what is your revenue model like? How do you keep your lights on?
Oh God. It's going pretty okay right now. We get revenue from the downloads as well as in-app purchases and ads. Okay. So it's going pretty well. It's growing. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So it's like a freemium type model?
We had a freemium model for the first 30 days, and then now the app is available for $1.99 to download.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Gotcha. That makes sense.
Thank you.
And so you've got a guaranteed download source, and then the ads maintain a revenue for the users going forward.
Right.
Okay. Gotcha. And are you looking for... Oh, you said there's in-app purchases, too.
Right.
So what kind of in-app purchases are there?
There's one in-app purchase, which allows you to see more of the users' profiles, to connect with them, to chat with them, to schedule meetups and dates.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So on the strict download version, you don't get the profile search?
No, you don't.
Okay.
You don't get as many. There's a limited amount. So you get full access to the restaurants that's worldwide in your locations, and you get a limited amount of profiles that you can search. Okay. But if you want to search more profiles and be able to connect with more people in that area, then you will do the subscription of $1.99.
Okay. And on your...
Okay. That's very reasonable.
Thank you.
$1.99, that's...
I thought so.
That's doable for most people, especially if you're having this problem, right? Like if this is something that affects you, it's a challenge.
It is.
And so, $2 is
nothing, yeah.
is nothing to help fix that problem.
I agree. Thank you.
On your application, are you able to view menu options for these places?
Yes. Once you click on the restaurant profile pops up. You're able to see the reviews. You're able to see the
reviews
location.
Within your app or from a different source?
Within the app.
Okay.
The ratings, the address, of course, the hours of operation, the menu, what they're offering, and soon it'll be the specials that they have.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I like that.
All right.
Thank you.
Cool.
And so obviously you'd be working directly with the restaurants to source special data. Okay. So for the restaurants, do they like just send you the information, you put it in, or do they have a portal where they can maintain their profiles?
I actually have a dashboard, so I reach out to them to collect the data from them, and then I'll update their profiles.
Okay.
And where are you operational right now?
Atlanta, Georgia.
So is it just in Georgia for right now?
No, worldwide.
It's worldwide,
okay.
but the office is based out of Atlanta, Georgia.
Got you.
Very cool. Not too far from us. We're in Tampa. So we're not too
cool.
Not too terribly far.
No, it's not.
Half-day drive.
Right.
Not too bad.
Do you have a rough number about how many restaurants you have currently in your app?
Oh, there's so many. Wow.
It's one of those fun little stats, though.
Right. Probably around about 1,500.
That's a good number
so far.
Okay.
Especially for being operational for a year.
Right.
Yeah.
And you're constantly reaching out.
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah. Having to do the verification to make sure that it's a full vegan or vegetarian restaurant.
Which is fun because I get to taste the food. I get to go there. I get to travel. So it's the flip side. It's hard work, but it's fun as well.
And it's also worth it for your users because they need to know.
Right.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Very cool. So what has been your goal here at Collision this week?
Just to network, to meet people, to take great notes from the speakers and the mentor sessions. It's been awesome. I exhibit yesterday, and I had a blast. I met so many amazing people, got so many connections. So it's been awesome. This is my first time here at Collisions in Canada, and besides the weather, it's freezing, but besides the weather, it's been absolutely great.
Yeah, we're Southerners in America. So.
Right. Yeah, it's like 90 degrees where we're from, but now it's like 32 Celsius here. So, yeah.
Yeah. I've been trying to figure out whether the cold weather here or the almost constant rain in New Orleans.
Which one's worth it?
Yeah. Which one has annoyed people more? I think the rain in New Orleans.
Because last 3 years,
Mm-hmm.
the conference was in New
Orleans.
And so it rained during the conference most of that time.
Oh. Well, so we're used to the rain because we're from Florida.
True.
So it's like
the rain is fine. I mean, I sleep better during the rain. So I can take the rain versus the cold.
Yeah, especially coming from the South.
Right.
It's what we're used to.
Right.
So if people want to find out more about your app or to download it, how can they do that?
Okay, so if you want to find out more information, please visit my website at healthydiningapp.com. If you want to download the app, just go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and search Healthy Dining. And like I said, it will be the first app that pop up. Or if you want to connect with me, you have any questions, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Healthy Dining App for Facebook and Instagram.
Awesome.
Very cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for this opportunity.
Absolutely. Have a good rest of the conference.
Thank you.